Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify. This integration allows you to sync your store data with your CRM, making it easier to track customer interactions and automate your marketing efforts. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to hubspot.com and sign into your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you can either create an account or start a free trial to get things rolling. Once you've signed in, you should land directly on the HubSpot dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all your marketing, sales, and customer service activities. Now that you're on the dashboard, look up at the top navigation bar and locate the marketplace icon. Click on it to open up an expanded menu. From there, you'll see an option labeled HubSpot Marketplace. Go ahead and click on that. This marketplace is where you'll find all the apps and integrations that can extend HubSpot's functionality and connect it with other tools you use. Once you're in the marketplace, you'll notice a search field at the top. Type in Shopify and hit enter. This will pull up results related to Shopify integrations. What you're looking for here is the official Shopify listing for HubSpot. It's important to make sure you're selecting the official integration to ensure compatibility and security. Click on the Shopify listing to open up the integration details page. Here you'll see a breakdown of the features this integration offers, along with step-by-step installation instructions. Take a moment to review what's available. This integration typically allows you to sync customer data, track orders, and create targeted marketing campaigns based on purchase behavior. When you're ready to proceed, look for the Install button on the integration page and click it. This is where the connection between HubSpot and Shopify begins. You'll be prompted to log in with your Shopify store account credentials. This step is necessary so that HubSpot can securely access your store data and begin syncing information between the two platforms. After logging in, follow any additional prompts to authorize the connection and configure your sync settings. Once everything is set up, your Shopify data will start flowing into HubSpot, giving you a complete view of your customer journey from browsing to purchase. This integration streamlines your workflow and helps you deliver more personalized experiences to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.